how to send high quality photo in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can send high quality photo in WhatsApp. First thing, update your application, go to Play Store. After that, on the search box type in WhatsApp. See if you have update or open button. If you have an update button, then click on the update, and after updating, click on the open button. Once you're done, after that you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's gonna look like. So then, to send the high quality photos in WhatsApp, you need to first of all open up the chat page of that particular contact. After that, click on the gear icon or maybe take a camera icon. Now select the image that you wish to send it to your contact. You can see right on top you have multiple tools. Right in the corner there is HD. Click on it. After that, you'll be able to see standard quality or HD quality. Now these are all high quality images. Select either one of it and then click on the arrow icon located right at the bottom. So that is basically how you can send high quality photos and videos on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.